Hi all, this is a little follow-up on the cloth and plaster pages I did recently, and this is just a follow-up to show you in case you want to take these little pieces, and I did them yesterday, they're still a little damp, but they're going to dry much harder. On the back side, it's nice sometimes to have a little hanger, so I'm going to show you how I do that. And my little hanger is actually a little ring, little fake rings that I got at Home Depot in the wedding department. They're used to make ring bearer pillows, and I used to make ring bearer pillows, so these came in handy. But now I'm using them for the backing, and I took some contractor's tape. It's sticky on one side, cut off about a 4-inch length, and wrapped it through the ring and folded it back over itself. So this is what I have. And then what I did was mixed up some of the plaster Paris that I showed you in the other video, and I'm pouring that on, smoothing it out. And it also finishes off the back and makes it look nice, so I like that. And put your ring on. Be careful to make sure that the ring is in the middle of your piece. And pour a little bit more plaster over that. Plaster it in. Lay it flat. And there you go. That should hold this fine for the small amount of weight that we need. Let me get all that on there. And that's it. Pretty easy with the little hanger already on it. So I hope you can use that and either use the pages for your journal to add on to artwork or to hang on the wall as is. That's why we finished off the little phrase the way we did. And I hope you get a chance to do this and it's helpful to you. So thanks for watching. Bye.